Welcome to Babae, your safe space for real talk on life in your 30s, work, kids, and relationship. At nidagdag pa tayo dyan. Of course, yung sarili natin, no?
Nakalimutan na agad.
Yes.
Basta pa lang nakakalimutan.
Yes. I'm Aliana, and
Dia.
Yeah.
So we're here to figure it out with you guys. So, bakit tayo napunta sa babae?
Kasi,
Wente. Kaya pag
start kasi, for context kasi, una nag-start yung babae. Dahil we had a business.
we still do, but it's
Yeah.
just on pause.
Ako, hiatus.
Hiatus.
Ang arte. Hiatus. So, yun na nga. Habang intro natin, nakakainis.
Make up naman.
Ayun, so, we had the business. Oh, we still have the business. Pero we haven't registered pala ng babae, no?
No, kaya mayroon ng may mga before choosing the name, I checked if there are businesses registered under it. Wala pa at the time.
Ngayon meron na.
Meron na.
Pero I think we should.
We should.
Mm-mm. Pero may period naman tayo, and that's what
That's what.
that's what makes it unique.
Yes.
That.
And the dot is important.
Mm-mm.
Because we specifically add the period to it. Kasi in some instances, like in most cases in our lives, especially as women, we parang mansplaining, right?
Oo.
They tend to ask us, saan ka nakaganyan?
Yeah.
Parang we always end up trying to explain ourselves most of the time.
Oo.
Like, why do we act a certain way? Why are we like this? And really,
Because being a woman is just plainly being a woman.
yes,
Period.
exactly. So,
Period.
babae, period. So, when somebody asks you, why are you like this? Why are you moody? Because babae ako eh. I'm babae, period. Because biologically, that's how we are. Hindi tayo parang lalaki na for the whole month. I mean, we're all starting to be more familiar of the different phases that we go through each month in consideration of our hormonal changes for us to bear a child. Anyway, I'm boring na ng topic.
Correct.
Biology.
But what do you need in the first place? But why do we need to explain ourselves in the first place? Kasi in history, women were made just to be household maker. Is that how you housewives? Homemaker.
Homemakers.
We were raised to be one. Parang yun lang. Pero ngayon, hindi ngayon actually, but as decades and years go by, diba, we are trying to prove ourselves to the society that we can do more.
Bakit lang seryosohin yung quest mong ganun?
Diba? Malay mo, marami na manood po nakagano. Parang tanga yung yung isang host, ba't nakagano?
Cover po
Kaya
siya ng
talaga.
magazine natin si Alian. Kung hindi niyo po yung
Kasi yung mic namin, isa sira.
kapag i-google nyo ang Aliana, ano ka muna?
Aliana Pabian.
Fabian. Makahanap niyo siya sa magazine.
Uy, mamaya hanapin nila.
Ilalabas ni G. Huwag
Let's
alala.
not talk about it.
G is the husband.
Anyway,
So yeah, that's... Ay,
next topic
may na
na daw.
tumawag. Okay,
Okay,
sige.
bye-bye.
Okay, direct. Sorry po. Pasensya na. So, going back, so the reason why we chose that name is because we want, first of all, our business to be known as a Filipino woman-owned business. So, the best way to do that is, of course, to use our own native language, Tagalog. Dun pa lang sa pangalan, you would already know that, that person is Filipino and she's a Filipina.
Yes.
They are. So, yeah. Yun, and then as we go along with more episodes, you'll know more about me and Aliana and how we love being a woman, essentially, and a Filipino woman at that.
Correct. And what's our topic today?
So today, I guess let's start our series. series. This series, maybe we can call it the 30s, the Trentahin series. The
Hindi
Trentahin.
ako makarelate, pero sige, 30 pa rin naman ako. Ay, mga 40 na ako, dahil.
Ay, totoo ba? Oh, secret lang natin
Pero okay
yan.
lang.
Okay, cut direct. Kunyari, 30s lang.
Hindi, wala pa naman ako 40,
Oh,
so
yun
may
naman
karapatan
pala.
pa ako dito.
Embrace the Trentahin era.
Yes. I'm
So-
gonna make the most out of my last
Alam ko na
year
yung
of
pangalan.
being a 30-year-old.
Ng series na to.
Ano?
Trentahing ina.
Trentahing ina. Ay.
Trentahing ina. So,
Trentahing ina. Akala ko ba babae? Ang gulo natin sa buhay natin.
babae.
Gulo natin? Ano may brand?
Trentahing ina.
Ano yung branding natin?
Gusto ko na yung trentahing ina na phrase. Yung,
Okay. Trentahing ina. Kaya lang baka maano tayo nila. Ano? Sino ba yun yung magaling?
si
actress.
Petra Mahalin.
Hindi. Si ano yun?
Hindi ko kilala.
Si Valerie Valeroso. Gusto ko yung babae.
Valerie.
Valerie Valeroso. Ganda ng
Trentahing
babae.
ina. Okay, may anak na rin siya. So, she's a mom.
Yes.
Also.
Hi to you.
Actually, may, yung, what do you call this? Hindi batchmate. Schoolmate ko from college is a best friend of hers. I always see them together.
Talaga?
Best friend. So, Trentahing Ina series where we will be talking about how we juggle our lives as a mom, as a woman in their 30s, relationships, and mostly asking ourselves, sino na ba tayo? Nasaan na yung ako? And where am I in this whole picture? So, yun, I guess.
You know what? A lot of times, lagi ko naisip yun di ba? Bukod sa pagiging nanay, I'm a mom. Anyway, you're a mom too.
Yes, I have a 3-year-old.
Yeah, I'm a mom of a 14-year-old. And you are a mom of...
A 3-year-old baby boy.
Mom of boys.
Yes, boy mom.
Boy mom.
Yay.
So being a mom and a wife and a daughter
Oh my goodness.
and an employee. Ang dami natin roles sa buhay, no? Pero
yes.
isip ko, ano ba talaga yung gusto ko? Sino ba talaga ako? Makes me...
Alin doon yung para sa akin?
Oo. Is it really for me?
Oo.
I mean, sorry, it's not as if I'm not embracing my life as a mom, as a wife, and everything na role ko sa buhay. Pero minsan, ano ba yung masasabi kong pag sinabi sa Aliana, siya yun?
Oo. Yung
Diba?
pinili mo because it's for you.
Oo.
It's funny you mentioned because I was in a time of my life, I think 2 years ago, when I started creating my own circle, and new work, new everything, new kid, new environment, etc. And then a colleague of mine was trying to help me make sense of things, and she kept asking me, and at the time it wasn't making sense to me what she was trying to ask me. Sabi niya, okay, you wanna do this and that, you wanna achieve this, pero asan yung para sa'yo?
Oo
Because
nga.
that's still not for you. That's still for your kid. That's really still for your relationship to grow. But asan yung sayo? Asan yung pang sayo lang? Sabi niya, well, if I take care of my kid and I know he's well, and that's for me. So, no, that's not for you. That's for your kid. So, she kept asking me, no, you still haven't figured it out. You don't
So,
know
who's saying
yet. She was telling me that. Parang sabi niya, hindi yan yung para sa'yo. That's still for them. That's still for your kid. And maybe it makes you happy, but it's really not for you. You're not doing it just to take care of yourself. Parang ganun. So until now, di ko pa nabalikan yung tanong na yun. But ikaw, what do you think would be your answer? Like, sa lahat, sa dami ng ginagawa mo, alin din yung masasabi mo pang sa'yo?
Siguro, yung para sa akin, hosting talaga.
Yung talaga yung passion.
Kasi yan yung something na pag ginagawa ko, kahit na ang tagal ko na siyang ginagawa, hindi ako nagsasawa. Tapos parang laging I'm really looking forward to work even though I am tired. Of course, gusto ko rin yung work ko ngayon. I'm working, meron din akong day job. Let's not talk about it.
Pwede naman natin i-cut yan. Alam ba, walang filter to.
Hindi ba may day job ka?
Oo,
yun nga.
Hindi na naman natin
That's not the
pag-usapan.
point,
No?
actually. Hindi ko sabihin. That's not the point. Hindi ko sabihin. Apart from all things. Pero don't get me wrong ha. Hindi naman sa hindi ako grateful na maging nanay at maging asawa. I love being a wife to G. Alam yung lahat yan. feeling sick.
Celeb.
Pero more than that, yeah, yung hosting talaga. Kasi I meet a lot of people. Tapos yung the smile on their face, nakikita ko sila.
Makes me know that they need me. There's a truth in there.
Pero whenever I talk, parang yung the glance on their faces,
Yes,
ang mukha sila, na-enjoy nila yung pinagsasabi ko. Kasi medyo comedy ako mag-host.
Actually, kaya nga I wanted to watch you sana kanina. Kasi I wanna see you in your element. Yes.
Nakikita ko naman lagi ako ang may element.
Hindi, iba kapag, I know, iba kapag when you're hosting.
Really?
Yes.
Hindi. Ganun din.
Hindi, I mean, iba yung aura mo. That's what I'm
yeah.
looking for. Iba yung presence in the way you carry yourself when you're on stage and with the microphone. And not everyone is gifted to be a host. Ako in my head, parang I would say, I imagine myself being able to pull off a hosting gig. Just because, like, for my family. Kasi I was parang, for some reason, they always want me to do something for a family event. So parang ako naman the most shy pamangkin out of everyone. Ako pa yung mga gusto nang nagsasalita. So I wanted,
yeah. Ka naman lagi pag magkasama. Kaya lang pagka
to be honest, it has been developed. I was so much worse when I was growing up. I took communications when I was in college again. Kasi nga, I feel like I wanted to speak up but I don't know how to carry myself or present myself well in public or in a bigger group. So now, fast forward from a shy girl, now I'm doing sales.
Do you love it? Do you love what you're doing?
I don't hate it.
But you don't love it?
No. I'm not sure yet if I love it, to be honest. Kasi kakastart ko lang. So I'm 2 years in the role of being a salesperson.
Because all your life,
operations back office talaga yung
forte. So logistics ka, di ba?
Yes. So I'm used to planning everything from A to Z, lahat from point A to point Z. I know how it should work, how the process would look like, and how to implement it. But talking and negotiating wasn't really part of my job description for the longest time. And I did operations for the boring part of this conversation. Okay. I did it for 12 years. So after that, when I became a mom, I did sales. So medyo nag-iba yung dynamics ng like my personality change, shifted drastically. So more on that later on. But yeah, in essence, ano yung tanong ulit?
Ako siya nakalimutan ko ni. Mga 30 ina.
May 30 ina, makakalimutin. Alam niya na.
Hindi yun yung ano ba talaga yung gusto mo? We
okay.
To
so, parang,
find out kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mo sa buhay.
I guess,
sabi ko, host ako. How about you?
Parang naging driftwood lang ako. Whatever opportunity was presented to me, ginrab ko na lang. Same with this one. Like the reason I landed a job at the company where I'm at is because it was offered to me, and then I got an interview with them, and then nag-work naman siya timing wise, etc. Pero to me kasi I want to learn. Siguro if there's one answer I can give is wherever there's a chance for me to learn something new and to grow from there, because I'm always curious. I'm like a curious cat. I always need to learn something new, whether sports, sa health, or sa sales, or whatever, sa logistics. Like, I try to learn as much as I can. I think yung continuous learning is really my interest. And if money weren't a thing, kasi the other way to put it, kasi if money weren't a thing, what will you be doing? So, to me, I would like to help women talaga. Like, transform women's lives, especially single moms na talagang nasa hirap ng buhay. Yung no one to rely on, walang kasambahay, walang parents na tagabantay ng bata but still need to work. I have, parang I want to spend my knowledge and time with those types of people if money weren't a thing. You know what I mean? Parang I'd rather spend my time helping them out. Naiyak ako! Pero
If
yun,
money
that's,
weren't a thing.
if money weren't a thing, that's something
Parang
probably I
lahat
would do.
naman tayo yun ang, ano eh, ba?
Oh, kasi parang after being a mom, and meron akong bits and pieces of experience ng parang feeling ko ako lang. Wala akong makakount on like one particular experience. Nagising na lang ako, kami dalawa lang ng anak ko, wala nang yaya, naglayas. Tapos may meeting ako na kailangan kong puntahan, tapos wala akong pag-iwanan ng bata. And it was such a struggle. And dinala ko na lang yung anak ko. Butin lang sa office, okay lang for you to bring your kids. E paano pag sa mga ibang trabaho na hindi naman nila welcome mga bata sa office?
Ito na yun?
Right? Yes, ito na yun.
Thank you, KFC.
Oo. So, they're very much accommodating. Like, we see our receptionists, they have their kids sa stroller nandun sa tabi nila, like, sleeping. So, very inclusive
I
naman
like
yung
your
company.
company, pro-family sila.
Oh, pro-family talaga. Sobra. So, ayun na nga, time out. To make it short and sweet, that's one thing. And then the other thing is, but if money were a factor, gusto ko pa rin talaga professionally to be, I don't know if it's too late, psychologist, or remember we talked about this in the past, or a life coach.
Like,
One of the two.
parang ang sarap no, kung hindi nga problema yung pera, parang ang sarap gawin yung mga
Yung mga talagang gusto ng puso mo, no? Like, the stuff that you're passionate about. If also I have
Pero
that-
iba yung level ng kagustuhan mo, yung tumulong sa mga babae. Parang nahiya ako sa mga, I was about to say na gusto kong matutong, kasi yung pew-pew,
oo.
di ba?
Wala namang mali.
Tapos nung nakaraan, may nakita akong violin, gusto ko rin matutong mag-violin. Because
I think what you want really is to have fun.
have fun and have time for myself.
Yes, like
Siguro yun
enjoy,
yung
like not
kulang.
to like loosen up and not be too serious about life. Siguro yun yung gusto mo
Siguro.
talaga.
Pero I like what you said earlier. If money was not a thing, we could have, di ba?
Oo,
Share
doon mo
your
malalaman
time,
talaga kung ano
helping
talaga yung gusto.
Other women.
Yeah.
Kaya lang we were raised in a family or how can I say this, in a society na
Situation.
parang or in a situation na medyo mahirap ang pera. No?
Mm-mm.
Pero it's
na
hindi naman,
pinaghihirapan ang
pinaghihirapan ng pera. Pwede naman tayo naghihirap.
Oo, na
We make-
pag hindi ka
We make
magtatrabaho,
ends meet naman. Pero,
lang kikita.
oo, ganun. Yun nga.
Mga hindi siya
Make
nalalaglag
ends
sa kisame.
Kailangan mo talaga paghirapan.
So yun. Pero outside of that, that's the bigger ano eh. Pero outside of that, ang sa pang gusto, alam mo, wellness. Wellness
Oo,
center.
no?
As in, yung retreat level na
Mm-mm.
pagdating mo doon, lahat ng trauma mo sa buhay mawawala. Kasi I needed that for a little bit and it really helps, ha? Kasi, to be honest, feeling ko ang core talaga ng community is women, eh. Kasi we raise kids, we raise future
Totoo.
leaders, we raise yung laman ng society or ng buong mundo comes from us. Kasi bilang ina, and we have the opportunity.
Yan ba yung sinasabi mo when, yung mga pilates saka meditation?
Yes, yung parang may retreat ka na attend na 3-day retreat.
Parang
na may
maganda
program.
daw yung kay Ellen Adarna.
Meron siyang bago.
Hindi, nag-attend siya dati dun, di ba? She was in a place na parang, very uncertain siya.
May coach siya si Nasir or something.
Oo, grabe daw. Tapos, it changed her somehow. Made her what she is right now. Napaka-strong woman ni bakla, no?
Sobra. Hindi lang yan, strong. Pag
Galing
naging
mo talaga.
nanay ka talaga,
Oo.
nag-shift yung priorities.
Totoo.
Iba-iba. And it's been proven sa scientific findings na talaga yung chemistry ng babae nag-iiba talaga.
Pag
Pag naging nanay ka na.
Totoo.
Is in iba.
Kasi natutulak ka para mas maging matatag.
Mm-mm.
Because parang magiging innate na sa'yo na kailangan mong isipin yung
Naka-protector mode ka
future
na eh.
ng, oo, nandun ka eh. Yung future ng anak mo, kailangan mabuhay kayo. No? Kahit na mayroong lalaki na mag-support sa atin, iba pa rin yung feeling na I think pare-pareho tayong mga nanay na kailangan ako to eh. Yung ganun.
Totoo. Tsaka parang, siguro depende din. Kasi I've met some women naman na, pero chill lang din. Siguro,
Sana nga, chill tayo tulad.
ginawin
chill
lang
tayo
kami,
katulad
pero hindi
nila.
kami chill. Talagang tayo ang mga worry warriors.
Warrior,
Na,
siguro din
as
kasi
in,
nasa ugali.
oo, nasa ugali. Ako warrior
Tsaka
talaga.
siguro din, pinalaki din kami kasi na na parang dapat hindi ka maging complacent.
Oo, no.
Oo, kasi lalo pa nangyayari yung war na yun. Yung pandemic nga, di ba? Parang lahat tayo nagpaka healthy-healthyhan, kaya natin to, ganun tipid-tipid.
Mm-mm.
Oo, nasubok talaga tayo ng pandemic pero ngayon, ibang level ngayon. Kapag ngayon pala, iniisip ko na, magkano na yung gasolina? Nangingin
Hoy,
na
wag
ako.
ka, nag-aangkas ako.
Ha?
Move it.
What's wrong with that? Ganun
Hindi,
talaga.
oo
Alam mo,
nga.
malapit na ako
Kasi
mag-angkas.
madaming nagsasabi, hala, nag-aangkas ka. Sabi ko, oo, nag-aangkas ako because
That's
first
wrong.
of all,
Dati nga, nag-jeep tayo eh.
pag nilalabas ko ang kotse, nagagasgas.
Ay, so hindi pala natin problema yung budget. Ang
So,
problema pala
parang-
natin, nakakasira tayo ng sasakyan.
Ang sasakyan hindi naman sa atin. So, huwag na lang natin i-drive.
Hindi kasi ang ano mo mag-drive eh. Haragan ka mag-drive eh.
May haragan.
Yung,
Malikot?
Hindi, parang
Kaskasera.
kaskasera.
So,
Pero it doesn't look like it. Alam ko, saan na napunta yung usapan natin?
anyway. So, ano
Pero
na
to
ba?
cut the long story short,
Yun na nga. So,
have you had things figured out already?
yes, for the most part, and I'm very excited to have figured things out somehow. You know how, siguro sa mga kung may nakikinig man na hindi rin nila alam sa 30s, human being na talagang ang dami nangyayari sa mundo, lahat tayo dami natin gustong patunayan. Siguro it helps yung pag may Diyos ka talaga.
Pag may Diyos.
Kasi yun
At
yung
saka hindi
compass
lang
mo
basta yung ano eh. Hindi lang basta sinabi mo na Diyos mo siya at ano.
Oo.
When you put your whole faith sa Kanya, even yung decision making mo, nakaangkla sa Kanya. Kasi iba yung iba yung naniniwala ka.
Yes. Sa talagang siya yung guide mo.
Oo, siya talaga yung moral compass.
Yes,
mo.
exactly.
Tama ba yun? Yung iba kasi nadadasal lang, pero hindi nagtitiwala. Feeling ko may ganun pa rin tayo, hindi ba tayo perfect? Kasi
Oo.
the fact na warrior tayo, even my mom,
Yeah, exactly. That's one of the biggest sins.
Grabe siyang nadadasal siya, tapos laging nakaano siya kay Lord, pero warrior pa rin siya. Hindi ko alam if it has something to do with psychological ba yun? Na talagang...
Maybe how she was raised or in the
Baka.
the environment she was raised in. So, mahirap kasing tanggalin yun sa sistema mo pag nasanay ka na all your life na walang ibang sasalo sa'yo, ikaw lang eh. So, talagang, hindi na na-explain ko kay Rock in the few times we can talk about deeper stuff. That's one of the things na sabi ko sa kanya. Kasi, the reason why I always have to know everything, because I'm a worrier. And I feel like, if something is not parang working according to plan or happening according to plan, kapag may maling nangyari, I will be the one to fix it. And kasi nga, I feel like I have to fix it. Kasi I'm not used to having someone who would fix it for me. So, parang ganun yung utak ko. So, okay, I have to know what's going on. Kasi kapag may nangyaring di maganda, ako mag-aayos niyan. So, I wanna be able to anticipate kung may mangyaring hindi okay. Para alam ko na yung plan B. Parang ganun. So, ang tendency, I get frustrated. Anyway. So, yun. Parang puro
Hindi
na lang.
maging warrior, no?
Oo. Sana warrior na lang.
Warrior to warrior. Sana yung mga warrior na katulad namin. Dalawa naman sa inyo, mga warrior, sana maging warrior na kayo.
True. Ayun na nga, going back sa sabi mo na, pag sabi nating dalawa na, pag may Diyos ka talaga, yun nawawala halos kalahati na ng problema mo, nasagot mo na.
Pagka medyo bata-bata ka pa at hindi ka ni-raise ng ganong household, hindi mo siya agad ma-realize. Ako, ang mama ko kasi mas naging closer siya kay Lord nung medyo
Later
may
on,
edad na ako. Kaya ngayon lang din ako nahahawa.
Same. Same. Actually, kasi Catholic parents, well, ako rin naman Catholic. Pero you know how it is with Catholicism. Very routinary. You don't really put an extra effort to
Tsaka
understand the Bible itself. Pero when I started exploring and, being the curious person that I am, I started asking questions. To the point na parang naging negative na yung approach ko towards Catholicism. Sabi ko, why do we have to do certain prayers na paulit-ulit doesn't make sense to me. And then, a friend of mine invited me sa Christian church, a born-again Christian. So I started attending. Now the words made sense to me. The guidance made sense to me. Even Christ dying on the cross started making sense to me because of that. But at the same time, when I was struggling, when I was hospitalized last year, bumalik ako sa Catholicism.
Ako din.
For some reason, na parang hinila ako pabalik na ito yung dahilan why these prayers are made this way, because we're humans and we sometimes don't know the words to say. So, the Catholic prayers help us to, parang guide mo yun to pray for certain things. Kaya may prayer book for, di ba may prayer book ang Catholics na, okay, for sickness, for blah, 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 blah. So, now it's starting to make sense. And even yung rituals, kasi naging ritualistic na person na din ako. Doon ko na na-appreciate. Nasabi ko, okay, it's making sense. So, pero, feeling ko makasalanan ako dahil hindi ako focus sa Catholic.
Hindi naman. Ako, pinagsasabay ko siya eh. Kasi
Ako
nga,
din
di ba Catholic nga kami, raised Catholic. Tapos, nung college kami, may nag-tune in yung nanay ko nung wala silang work na. Nag-tune in siya sa DZAS. Mga yun eh, Christian, sorry pero hindi ko alam kung
Born again or
born again. Basta Christian sila. And dahil lagi pinapakinggan ng nanay ko, pagka nauuwi ako, pati si Ed Lapis, I'm sure kilala mo yun, di ba? Yung parang, nabash nga yun nung nakaraan eh, kasi very strong yung words niya. Pero alam mo, kung iintindihin mo lang siya, maiintindihan mo rin kung yung in-depth na ibig sabihin niya doon sa mga katuruan niya. Now, edi ito, nakikinig. So, nakaka-inspire. Tapos ito pa nung pandemic, pero akong pinapakinggan si Pastor Jeff Eliscopides. Yung lagi ko sinasensay niya. Every morning, yung Daily Brad. It is just parang a 5-minute talk sa show ni DJ Chacha at saka ni Ted Filon. Alam mo, ang laking impact niya sa akin, lalo na nung pandemic. Kasi sobrang nagkaroon ako ng parang anxiety. Ganun. Depression. Ang depression, I'm sure magkaiba yun eh. Pero I don't know how can I differentiate the both. Pero alam ko yung depression, yung parang you feel low. Anxiety naman, yung parang restless
anxiety
ka.
is you're
Parang
living in the future. Depression is you're living in the past.
Okay. So I guess anxiety.
So you're uncertain about the future.
Uncertain about the future. Tapos alam mo, it gives yung mga sinasabi niya, it gives me comfort. Na hindi ako pinipilit na yung gano'n na maging okay ka, gano'n. Lahat ng salita.
Hindi siya toxic positive.
Totoo. Pero naiintindihan ko rin yung Catholic kasi somehow, katulad nga yung sabi mo kanina sa prayers. Ito naman, parang binibigyan ka ng routine na every Sunday, every Sunday, meron kang mass, yung ama namin, yung gano'n. And then you sing. Of course, I think sa may kantahan din. Kaya, I think then, to sum it up, doon sa sinasabi mo kanina, napunta na tayo sa religion. I think okay lang yun. Kunwari, Catholic ka, tapos meron ka rin pinapaniwalaan.
They're agnostic ba tawag? You believe in the higher power, not specifically the religion itself.
Exactly.
So, I feel like nandun ako sa spectrum na yun. Spectrum.
Basta you become a better person, no?
Yes.
Than you are before.
I think just pick and choose the best practices.
Totoo.
Oh. And at the end of the day, love really, as cliche as it may sound,
Yes,
love really is.
Love conquers all.
Love is love. Hindi. Love really is the whole point.
Totoo.
Love is really the whole point. God so loved the world that He gave His only Son.
Yes.
He who believes in Him shall not perish but live in everlasting life. So John 3:16. So that's really the essence of the whole Holy Week and Easter, di ba? And at the same time, the whole point of the whole religion itself, for us to understand how much God loved us, right?
Diba?
So yun. And then, just in return, because He loved us, we should love our brothers and sisters. Which is not easy.
Mm-mm.
Especially if somebody really annoys you to the core.
Totoo.
Talagang pag humihinga silang naririnig mo, gusto mo lang silang, you cannot bread. She cannot
Pero,
bread.
naniniwala ka rin ba na hindi lang din pwedeng puro love? Kasi minsan nagiging crowded yung isip mo because you love a person. Parang nagkakaroon kasi siya ng ano
Ibang
eh.
love kasi din yun eh.
Oo eh.
Parang yung romantic love.
Hindi naman. Hindi lang sa spouse or hindi lang sa partner. For example, you love a friend. Kunwari,
Yes.
you love a friend, you have full concern for a friend, pero somehow, parang you will mask yung love mo
Yes.
sa kaibigan mo by not being true to him or to her.
Yeah.
Instead of her making her realize or make him realize na ito yung tama. Siya ganun eh.
I get what you mean.
Mayroon akong napakinggan kay brother, nakalimutan ko na yung hirap. Yung parang about siya sa ang higher power or ay yung parang
Highest form of love?
O highest form of love or hindi pala para masabi mo na tama ang ginagawa mo dapat sumusunod ka doon sa katuruan niya.
Yes.
And yun ang something na universal,
Yes.
'di ba? Kasi kahit anong religion parang
Isa lang naman.
halos
Ang
iisa
point.
siya. Mm.
So,
Ang hirap
kaya
i-explain
ako din
kasi-
siguro na pinunta dun sa love. Kasi if there's confusion between religions, one thing that they're saying, as in nung God is still teaching us. I don't know about Islam ha. Kasi I don't know much about Islam. Pero the killings are not understandable to me. Parang sacrifice na yung
hindi.
sarili nila. They will die for Quran. Something like that. I don't know. But anyway, you can cut it.
Iba-iba.
Hindi ko lang kasi...
Actually, mahirap tong nagiging topic natin, religion.
makes
Kasi
sense.
pero,
Pero,
mabash tayo dito. Pero I have a friend who's a Muslim.
meron din
Pero
ako,
alam
I
ko
have a few
hindi siya
friends. Hindi
ganun
ko
ka-
lang understand pa yung portion ng sacrificing. But anyway, so, ano sabihin ko?
Pero
Ayun,
yun ang
yung-
pinakaunang
yung-
religion, ah.
Yes.
Diba?
There's so much to learn from Quran talaga. As
Yun
in,
pala.
Sobra.
Hindi Catholicism.
And one of
nasasabi ko,
Catholicism. So I have a friend also who she is Islam din, and she gives me the best insight in life talaga. As in.
Ganun ako mga
Pero
kilala eh.
bihirang-bihira
Hindi
kami
sila-
mag-usap. Bihirang-bihira kami mag-usap. Pero every time we talk, sobrang tagal, ang haba. Tapos, whenever I feel like lost and clouded yung judgment, ang galing niya pwede na nga siya maging pari, maging priestess or whatever. Kasi she can tell the story. Ang galing niya, parang alam mo yung mga pare, pag nagbibigay ng story, meron silang excerpt or what do you call that? May story, may fable, whatever. Na mapapaisip ka na, oo nga, no, now it's making sense. Pero kasi pag binasa mo lang, it doesn't. Parang practical life situation. No, yung tita ko, ganyan, ganito yung nangyari. Tapos ganito yung nangyari, tapos ganito yung... Parang that's how she would explain it. And it's easier to understand that way. So, yun. Anyway. So, and darating ka rin sa point ng life mo talagang ipapaintindi talaga niya sa'yo.
Totoo.
Kung anong ibig niya sabihin. At
Correct.
ipaparamdam niyang nandyan siya.
Lagi.
Lagi.
Alam mo yung, I'm sure makaka-relate yung mga manonood sa amin. Bago tayo mag-end, nakakatuwa lang i-share. Ano mo yung feeling mo, ubus na ubus ka na. Tapos kinabukasan, alam mong wala na, tapos biglang may dadating.
Oo.
No?
Sobra.
I'm sure makaka-relate kayo lahat doon. Pero kikilabutan ako pagka lagi kong kinukwento yun. Kasi madalas yun nangyayari sa amin. Kaya I really do believe in the miracles of the Lord.
Totoo. So, as a closing statement siguro, just to wrap it all in one nice
Sige
bow.
nga, paano may kukonek yung topic natin ng 30s
Yes,
dito sa
because
Remedyo?
not knowing who we are or what we do for ourselves, kapag we're lost in all of the different hats that we wear, God is always there, reeling us back in
Ang galing
and
mo
telling us na this is, I'm here, I'm helping you do this, you don't have to do it alone. So kahit madami tayong kailangang gawin, dahil may Diyos tayo, or we believe in a higher power, or whatever we believe in, may it be love, may it be faith, may it be whatever, it reminds us na we are capable of doing all of that, and we're not alone. Ganun. That's how I would tie it. So even though, sabihin pa rin natin, hindi pa rin natin alam what is for us, in a grander scheme of things, that's us talaga bilang babae talaga.
Totoo. And sa lahat ng mga babae na di pa nila na-figure out kung ano talaga yung magiging sila ngayon.
Kung ano yung ginagawa niyo
at
para
saka sa
talaga
mga
sa
susunod na the only way to do that is just to trust in the Lord and alam mo yun, give it all to Him. Kasi pag hindi mo binigay, ibig sabihin wala kang tiwala. Pag wala kang tiwala, I mean, it's easier said than done.
Oo,
pero,
kasi ako din, hirap na hirap ako dyan.
oo, easy. Pero I'm sana makatulong siya.
Kasi ang kamay ng mga control freak.
So that's about it. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching sa mga manonood. Thank you for watching
Our
our first episode here at Babae.
Bye-bye!
Period!
Bye! Ano yung tanong ulit?
Actually, nakalimutan ko na eh. Mga 30 ina.
May tantahing yun. Siguro,
Chill tayo.